Welcome to Developer Informatics. This video is made for those who are stepping to the field of programming. Basics of the coding will be covered. This series covers all the basics of the coding, and coding is nothing but teaching a highly capable machine about something new. So you should be very much careful that you are teaching something new to the machine. And since it is a new topic, you should be patient to teach the machine, because the machine will do only whatever you are saying. It will not do nothing much, nothing less. If you say it wrong, it will do that wrong. If you say it correctly, it will do it properly. And when you begin to code, simultaneously you are teaching the machine. That means when you are learning the concepts and then applying it on the device, you are coding, and that time you are teaching that machine to code something as per your idea. Let's start to explore the world of coding. The fundamentals of coding, what you should know for coding. The basic theories are variables. Next is data structures and control structures, syntax, and then tools. These are the most essential things you should be known for stepping into programming field. And variables is nothing, just naming some reserved fields. That means there is a lot of memory locations. We are reserving some location for the particular lifetime in that program, and this name will be used for retrieving and storing the data for the whole program. Different types of variables are there that we can discuss in on later. This is just imagine like this. There is a box and we are storing some value inside the box, and the box is given a name. That name is called as the variable. And the next is data structures. Data structures are just as we discussed earlier. Variable will store only one value. If you need to store more than one value, then there's the needs of a data structure. That means more than one value in a single name, storing with multiple indices. So stores multiple values with the same name. These are some of the examples for the data structures. And next is the control structure. Programming is not only meant for storing and retrieving data. It's mainly processed for processing, mainly focused on processing the data. For processing, we should check something. That means if it meets some criteria or something like that. Therefore, control structures is very much important in the field of programming. Next is syntax. Every language has its own rules for doing programming, for coding. That's rules are known as syntax. Just like in English, we are setting some rules for that, like something like that. A sentence should begin with capital letter. There should be a full stop after each sentences. Like that, there will be some rules for coding in each and every language, and that rules will differ from language to language. Next is tools. After studying all the concepts, all the coding basics, we should do that coding somewhere. For that, we are using tools. One of the best tool is IDE, and then come Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, VS Code is mostly used by the programmers in this scenario. And the next is without understanding the proper theory, you will not be able to explore the world, explore the real-time world in any of the occasions, not only in programming, in everywhere. Therefore, systematic way in exploring everything should be maintained, and we are providing tutorials based on that systematic way, step by step, getting inside the coding. Just to summarize what we learned. What we learned in this session are the basics of the programming in any language, the fundamental for molding the best programmer in you. And coming up, the next videos coming up are based on variables. What is the variable? Different type of variables, and control structures, data structures. In detail will be discussed on the later on videos. And we are developer informatics, sharing informations for you. If you like our informations, then please support us by like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.